Hi there, and welcome to the Enlightened Super Trader Education Weekly Market Update. This is Reynaldo. Soriano speaking from ESTE. So before I'm going to begin and analyzing the markets, we're just a quick reminder about our free webinars and events. August 13. Our topic is how a simple trading technique could increase your trading profits. That's for free. How to be a consistent profitable trader, August 20th, also free. And how to create a high probability trading system, which is a half day to 1 day class, and that's not free. In actual fact, if you go through to the events page, just to actually show you briefly, then that's an actual, it's all $49 pretty much from, yeah, it's half day free class from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right, so those are the events for the month of August. Let's go through and analyze the markets. Okay, looking at the Dow Jones Industrial 30 based on a broader market analysis perspective, you can see here that from last week's high of, let me go through there, 15,658.43, and then today actually it was 15,655.21. So we have currently a lower high at this point in time, but obviously the week is not over yet. Now if I go through the daily chart itself, we have a hammer formation pretty much, I'm sorry, a hanging man last Friday, and you can see here we have a new pivot point from higher high to lower high perspective. So at this point in time, from what I currently see, we have a higher low, higher high, and the next part of the series is simply a new higher low before a new higher high could form. But since we can see here that we also have, yeah, we have a lower high but a higher low. So in terms of the range, we have an indecision process. They don't know where to go at this point in time. As far as I'm concerned, they just filled in the lower shadow through there. And then depending on what the news that's going to come out this week, then from this point in time, then a continuation to the upside will occur. Why is that? Because on the bigger time frame, for what I've spoken to you pretty much for the past few weeks, the bulls are currently way too powerful and we cannot go against that. So talking about that, in my own personal opinion, just a slight minor correction before continuation to the upside. So let me go through, actually also have a look in terms of what the news are this week, if any major ones here in the US. So nothing on Wednesday. We have unemployment claims on Thursday, and that is it pretty much. So we just have one major coming up. In actual fact, well, my non-manufacturing PMI already happened today. Nothing major tomorrow. Yeah, we have a trade balance. Pretty much that's it. And then Wednesday, nothing. But Thursday is that unemployment claims. All right. That being said, it all depends on, like I said, what is going to occur. From as far as I'm concerned, minor correction before continuation as well to the upside. Okay. Let me go through as well. Looking at the S&P 500 briefly, I believe it's also the same from what I saw earlier. Same thing. So from a higher high perspective, also creating a new pivot point back down to 1695, 1670 before a new continuation further to the upside. Alright, so yeah, the same. We have an indecision process. As far as I'm concerned, stabilization, minor correction before continuation. And looking at the volatility index creating new lows, breaking through that new low through there. So anything can happen, obviously, since it's below the 12-point mark. I mean, it can easily rebound to come back up, which makes sense to create the minor correction. But if not breaking out, then more continuation heading towards the 10-point mark. Right, and the other part that is giving a good clue is also within the dollar index. As far as I'm concerned, there's just a minor correction before continuation to the upside. But if it breaks out, then yes, then easily 80-60 then we can see a continuation of the markets as well. All right, this is it for me. Take care until next time. Happy trading.